I'd like to greet my brothers and sisters from Angeles City. I know that we have a tentative schedule for a rally in your city, and you have accepted, at least some of you, if not all, accepted the idea of having it there and listening to people. Actually, itong rally na ito, wala naman itong it's not out to destabilize government. It's not asking for the ouster of anybody, including the president. It's not about some personalities also in government. Wala. Ito is just, we are just in the narrative of our history presently. Parang part ito ng buhay natin at bukas para sa ating mga anak. We are undergoing a period of not really uncertainty, but there's a little bit of may gusot sa ating society, sa tao. So this has to be discussed openly in a rally, mas mabuti, so that people can understand and yung mabigyan yung essence of freedom of speech kasi importante yan para sa tao. Nothing to worry about. Kayong mga opposition, government, military, do not worry. We are not there to oust government. We are there to talk about government and preserving it for the people of the Republic of the Philippines. Thank you.